Hey there guys, how are you? So this is Slidepro here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a professional, quick and easy letterhead in Canva. So first of all, open up the Canva website and then go to shapes and choose the shape. Rotate it, increase its size, move it towards the left side. Now click on this shape and select it and rotate it and move it towards the left like this. Adjust it next to the first shape, paste it about 2 times more, and that's how it looks. I've changed the colors. Now go to elements and search for logo. There are many logos. I have chosen this logo. You can choose your company's logo. So I'm gonna change its color now, and that's it. Now add a heading, and this will be your company's name or your profession's name or anything you want to write as your title. So I'm gonna change its font and alignment. Now add a subheading, and this is gonna be our to whom we are writing our letterhead. That's it. Now I'm gonna add to John Smith. So here you're gonna write to whom you're writing this letterhead. So this is it. Now I'm gonna uh, add the body. So I have used this random text as a placeholder for the text you're gonna write. So you can add your information in this content. Anyways, you can download this letterhead from my description below. That's it. Now add this text. This is gonna be your signature. You can use another font for your signature, and you can also download from online websites your signatures. That's it. Now I'm gonna add your position. At what position are you writing? What's your profession? That's it. Now I'm gonna select these shades, paste them, and rotate them, decrease their size. I'm gonna select the first three of the arrow shapes, and I'm gonna select them and group them. There you go. So here you go. I have adjusted them and grouped them. Now I'm gonna move them lower. Now the next thing you have to do is go to elements and search for phone, and you have to click on this icon and you're going to change this color to white. Now search email and add email's icon and turn its color to white. Now search for location and choose this location icon, change its color to white as well. Now I'm gonna add my phone number, email, and address next to these shapes. So there you go. I have added some random numbers. You're gonna use your phone numbers that you want uh to add, so that the one you're writing this letterhead to can contact you on this number or address or email. That's it. Again, I'm gonna tell you that you can download this from my description, and this is free to use and editable as well. This is the final result of the video. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. Also, hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Be sure to share this video to your friends and family. Bye.